Whereas the warm-ups, that's more like icebreakers and team builders. And I think what's really important and valuable about those types of activities is it gives individuals the chance to hear from their teammates what they need. So just because Sujay and I do have some similarities, a conceptual and a social profile or preference in our profiles, that doesn't mean that they show up the same. You know, we can generally get a feel for what it is, but because we have other preferences there, it may show up in different ways as well. So having the opportunity to ask questions, to have discussions, to explore from team members what they need, it not only gives you a chance to hear from an individual specifically what they're feeling or needing, but it also gives them a chance to advocate for themselves, to say, in this situation, this is really what I need from you. And without those kinds of discussions, we're just making assumptions on what they need, and assumptions aren't going to help us. So the warm-ups, I think, really help us lean into curiosity with our teams, lean into that um, just more of that space of understanding, removing judgment, things like that. So that's a really good place to start for managers and leaders.